Hey everyone, in this video we are going to see how to create suppliers or customers in ClearBooks. So in context, you can see option of customers, suppliers and emails. We are going to talk about the suppliers and customers today. So once you click on supplier, you will get this kind of display here. You can add supplier, you can merge the contact, you can export the contents as CSV. Just click on add supplier. So here you can see the different options. Okay. Now I'm just entering basic name of the supplier. Okay. Then you can select the title of that particular person. If you want to add name, surname, email, then you can do it. Okay. Then in preset information, I just selected a supplier. Then supplier invoice default. So you can set default like VAT rate and all things. Then you can see if you want to add bank detail of the supplier, then invoice address, delivery address, and other information. So you can enter that particular information from here. Okay. And if you want to add just name, then you can do it easily. Just enter the name and click on save. So you can see that our supplier has been created. Now from here, you can also create bill or delete the contact. Okay. Let me show you. Supplier one is here. You can create bill, create note, edit contact easily. Fine. If you want to make any kind of changes, then you can click on edit. Delete option is also there. Okay. So in this way, we can create the supplier in ClearBooks. Now let's talk about how to create customer. So for that purpose, you have to click on customers. Fine, just click on add customer. So this one is same display as we have seen in suppliers. You have to just enter the name of that particular customer, and you can add other details if you want to add. Now you can create a single supplier and you can deal as a supplier as well as customers also. Okay, so in preset information, you can set as per your requirement. I just want customers and supplier differently here. Okay. So our contact has been created. So you can edit the customer and you can delete the customers. Okay. So in this way, we can create the suppliers and customers in ClearBooks. Okay. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.